My name's Brydie and I'm Dad's apprentice. Really?
Second year.
Almost third, if you want to get technical.
My name's Anthony. Plumbing business has been operating since 1956. My father started. I've been probably operating the business for about 30 years now. Our plumbing journeys together started when she was probably in nappies. She would always cry at the door and wanted to come to work with me on the weekends.
And I thought, why not go to actually get paid to do something that I love doing? Deep down, I always thought I did want to become a plumber. It was more, I didn't think girls could be a plumber, I guess. And then I just thought, why not stuff everybody else and I'm going to do what I want to do. You've always told me I'm better than the boys.
Well, you've got to believe in yourself, don't you?
And I'm a believer.
You're a believer, all right. We do a lot of singing too in the car.
Na 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 na, yeah. Run, 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 run,
Run away.
Oh! Ah! Yeah.
Psycho killer! It's a Talking Heads song.
That's the only part of the song we know.
A business that my father started running into the third generation. There's a lot of pride and a lot of emotions too.